Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best almond milk makers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Chufamix Vegan Milker. The Chufamix Vegan Milker goes back to basics, and while it may look simplistic, it's very efficient. After adding water and milk ingredients, you quickly pulverize the ingredients with an immersion blender. Then it soaks and filters ingredients simultaneously, which results in creamier, smoother plant milk. Alternatively, this can also be used as a strainer in combination with a classic blender. It will produce up to 1 liter of milk in just 1 minute, and then it only takes another minute to squeeze the pulp, which you can eat plain or repurpose in baked goods. This device is very versatile and can be used with any nuts, oats, seeds, rice, coconut, and more. Dimensions: 4.72 into 4.72 into 10.63 inches. Capacity: 1 liter. Power: not available. Number 2. Our second best pick is Vitamix 7500 Blender. Is there anything Vitamix can't do? If you're looking for a simple way to make creamy almond milk at home, invest in a Vitamix. It can effortlessly pulverize almonds, soaked or unsoaked. Simply soak your almonds, optional, add them to the blender with water, blend until smooth, and strain. Unlike some of the other options, you'll need a nut milk bag to make almond milk with the Vitamix. You'll also need to measure the ratio of water to almonds and adjust it to your liking. However, this route likely creates less mess and gives you more control over the ratio of ingredients and adding ingredients like cacao powder, vanilla extract, and so on. Though the manufacturer recommends avoiding the dishwasher, this Vitamix blender has a self-cleaning function. Dimensions: 17.5 into 7.7 into 9.4 inches. Capacity: 64 ounces. Power: 1440 watts. Number 3. Our third best pick is Tribest SB130 Soyabella Automatic Nut and Amp Seed Milk Maker. This gadget from Tribest is a great option for those seeking homemade plant-based milk. It can produce fresh soy, almond, rice, and cashew milk in as little as 15 minutes with the milk function, which activates the heating element and grinding blade. For raw vegans, make raw plant-based milk in just 30 seconds using the mill function, which activates the blades only. Beyond nut milk, this product can grind coffee beans and other dry ingredients, and even make soup. It's easy to clean and, for added safety, the heating element is concealed within. Dimensions: 6.5 into 8.5 into 10.5 inches. Capacity: 1.3 liters. Power: 750 watts. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Simple Living Products 1.6 liter Deluxe Portable Soup Maker. Don't be fooled by this product's name. While it may have been designed primarily with soup in mind, it also functions as an effective nut milk maker. Its 2-layer stainless steel container will look sleek on your countertop and inhibits noise and heat, and the well-designed handles make it easy to maneuver. Its 1.6 liter capacity means you'll yield plenty of milk every time, and the whole process only takes 20 minutes. In addition to 4 preset functions, you can also use it as an everyday blender. Dimensions: 6.5 into 9 into 12.5 inches. Capacity: 1.6 liters. Power: 800 watts. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is NutraMilk Nut Processor. The NutraMilk Nut Processor certainly isn't cheap, but it's heavy-duty, fully automatic, and makes up to 2 liters of nut milk. This processor can handle more than just almonds, too. Try it with any other nuts, seeds, legumes, or grains. Plus, with several different settings, it allows you to create homemade nut butter, sauces, and more. There's no soaking or manual straining required, and for the eco-conscious, there's virtually zero waste. It's so powerful that the only pulp left over is from the skins of nuts and seeds. It's designed with a super convenient dispensing spigot to avoid messy pouring, and it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Dimensions: 20.7 into 17.2 into 11.9 inches. Capacity: 2 liters. power, 500 watts. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.